This is
Mango.
wow.
This is Guayana. Cheers.
Cheers. Let me see the pomelo,
No.
guava.
Guava. Wow.
I'm taking this video because this is the first time that I enter here.
Yeah, sure.
See,
Elotitos.
it's a Mexican, pure Mexican restaurant here in Wrocław. Let me go there. Just 1 minute. See, look at their menus. Wow.
Ja mam właśnie odpowiedź, kiedy zrobiłam. Ja miałam 20, na początku na samym starcie mam 21,70, a teraz jest 31,40, prawie 10 zł. To na pewno wyższe. To jest droższe. Mi się wydaje, że
This is their drinks.
stick, wiesz o co mi chodzi?
Mhm.
Wszystko musi zagadnąć, że już nie ma takiego...
Oh, it has extension here. It's an extension of this Mexican restaurant.
Tak, więc...
I think this, I feel color more yellow, yellow color.
This is like taquerias.
Ah.
Taquerias.
Taquerias.
Yeah, it's like tacos, no? Taquerias.
Taquerias. Wow. I'm gonna Oh, this is my first time, guys, to eat this Mexicano food in Wrocławia, Wrocław City in Poland. Together with my friends, this amigo, Mr. Hernandez, Chilean. He brought me here, and yeah, this is the food. Oh, then what is that?
You can take one if you want.
What did you bring? This?
This is spicy.
Oh, spicy. Wow. It's a
Spicy
rare,
chili.
unique chili. Yeah.
Okay, we put out this.
Impressive to see this kind of menu.
Look better.
Oh, like a sauce. Wow. Juicy.
That's good. There you go.
I'm gonna try what he did. He squeezed the lime, and just like this. Wow. And here we comes. Tasty, meaty, Mexican food in Wrocław, Wrocław City in Poland. Let we exchange one, amigo.
Yeah, exactly. You take one
Yeah.
test, one test.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
that's the purpose.
For you,
Oh,
everybody. Yeah.
wow, I like that. It's a trio menu here, trio combination that you can, swap and exchange just to taste the others flavor of this kind of. Yeah, I was surprised that this is the purpose of this trio meal.
Muy bueno.
Terribly.
It's chorizo with papa.
Repeat again, please. This is
Tinga.
tinka.
Tinga.
Tinka.
Tinga. Chorizo. Chorizo.
Chorizo.
Chorizo con papa. And then is al pastor.
Al pastor.
Al pastor. Yeah, this is tinga.
Wow.
I like everybody.
I met this Chilean amigo, so that's why I get idea of the Mexican food. This Mexican food. So here we go. This second. And what is the name of this?
Taco.
This taco bread? No, this wrapping.
Tinga.
Tinka.
The savor is tinga.
Tinka. But in Mexican, what they call of this wrap? What they call?
This is tortilla.
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 So tortilla in
Is
okay.
corn, no?
Yeah, corn.
In rice or corn.
This third one, let me grab this. So look at their plate. Way back a long time years ago, this is like a kind of plate, style of my plate in my grandmother and grandfather in the Philippines. See? Look at this plate. It's a rust free. I think this plate is like a old style, but way back ago it's a kind of during the barter economy system. Yeah, we have this before. So until now, look at this transition of generation 2026. Impressive this plate, guys. See? Yeah. I need to consume this, guys, because this chili advised me to eat. It's still warm. The food is still warm. Heat. Hot. So here. Mm. Amigo, it has a pineapple. This it's a pineapple.
No, no, it's potato.
Potato?
Potato. Yeah, it's potato. This is potato in Spanish is papa.
Oh,
Papa con chorizo.
what a heavy meal, Mexican meal. In a tortilla wrapper, and it has a meaty, unique taste from Mexican taste. The total overall of my recommendation is this. I like this.
This is al pastor.
Of this
Yeah.
cherry. This is I
I
like.
don't know. I like everything.
I mean, this drink is good to me in my feelings, my stomach, because, and even my throat, because something I don't feel acidity, no acidity.
No, because it's natural.
Nothing is in
It's
here.
only the savor natural. No, it's don't have sugar at all.
This is perfect. I love it. Oh man, I didn't expect this restaurant, Mexican restaurants, too much customer. Impressive. See, we're leaving, guys, and still customers by this hour still arrive. So much impressive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was thinking about those. No, it's popular in that Mexican food. I used to be.